I wish all of you and your family members lots of happiness, prosperity, joy and good health on this eve of Diwali. May it brings lots of happiness to all of you and your families.
My dear Vedans, a very happy Diwali to each and every one of you and your family members. On behalf of everyone at Vedantu, wishing you a great, safe, prosperous Diwali. Have a safe one and have a great one. Bye.
Hi Vedan, very happy Diwali to you, to your family and to all your dear ones. This Diwali is very special, coming after 2 years of COVID, and I hope you are celebrating this Diwali in a big way. So once again, from my side and from the entire Vedantu family side, a very happy and prosperous Diwali to all of you.
Hi Vedans, a very happy Diwali to you and each one of your family member. May this Diwali bring immense amount of joy and cheer to you.
Hi all Vedans, wish you and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Hope this Diwali brings new hopes, new dreams, new rewards to you all. Have a safe Diwali.
Hi everyone, here's wishing every Vedan and their families a very happy Diwali. May this festival of lights bring in lot of health and happiness. Have fun, stay safe.
Hi Vedans, wish you all a very happy Diwali. Hope you guys enjoy this festival along with your friends, family, colleagues. Have fun. Wish all of you, the festival of lights brings a lot of satisfaction, fulfillment, gives you purpose, and you come back with renewed energy after the vacation. Have fun guys. Bye.
Hello Vedans, wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali. Have great fun this Diwali.